Hey, good morning. It's Matt Brewer with Fairway Mortgage, and just to give you a quick rate update, as you're thinking about buying a house this fall, interest rates obviously play a huge part into why someone would buy a house or not buy a house, because obviously if it's cheap to finance, it makes it more appealing to buy a home. But this week, the Federal Reserve decided that they're not going to raise interest rates on short-term interest rates. And what short-term interest rates are the Fed funds rate. That's the rate at which the Federal Reserve borrows money to banks, which they in turn borrow money to you as a consumer. What we're dealing with here are long-term interest rates. These are 30-year fixed bonds, and actually it's been a pretty volatile week. Since they decided that the rates are not going to be raised by the Federal Reserve, the bond market, as far as what we watch, has done very well. So rates have continued to stay nice and low. That's not going to stay there forever, so the more they continue to talk about the Federal Reserve raising rates, the more we think that long-term interest rates are going to go up, because they typically try to be 3 to 6 months ahead of what the Federal Reserve is going to do. So if you're thinking about buying a house this fall or this winter and you want to talk more about interest rates, just give us a call at the office, 847-487-9915. And if you need anything, you can always look us up on the web at mattbrua.com. Thanks, guys. Have a great weekend.